Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will be replacing the screen of the DELL laptop model 0P53G001. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for a safe and effective screen replacement. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. To avoid static damage, wear your anti-static wrist strap. Next, remove the back cover. This typically involves removing several screws located at the back. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully take out each screw, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging the clips. After the back cover is removed, you should see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris you find inside, as this can help maintain your laptop's performance. Now, locate the screen connector. You will need to carefully disconnect the cable that connects the screen to the motherboard. Make sure to take your time with this step to avoid any damage. If you're unsure about handling this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you decide the best course of action. Next, we will remove the broken screen. This usually involves unscrewing the hinges that hold the screen in place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the screen away from the base. Be mindful of any remaining connectors or cables that may still be attached. If you find this process difficult, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, which can make your repair experience much easier. Now, take your new screen and position it where the old screen was located. Ensure that all connectors are in place before securing it with screws. If you don't have the tools or are uncertain about the repair, don't hesitate to reach out. Our services allow you to get a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Once the new screen is secured, reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard. Make sure it is properly seated to avoid display issues. After everything is in place, reattach the back cover of the laptop. Remember to screw all the screws back in securely. Finally, power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything works correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your DELL laptop screen. If you encounter any issues, keep in mind that we are here to help. We provide no calls, no travel services, making it easier for you to get your laptop back in top shape without any hassle. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.